Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nili Wahyu Taman, Prodi PPKN, Matkul Bahasa Inggris Semester 2. Ini 2131-2003. Jurnal Living follows best interactive multimedia in civic education learning. Topic education recent problem. On the basis of the research and the development efforts in this the study seeks to produce a model of living values the based interactive multimedia for civic learning. It is assumed to build of the life of the career shapes the character of the learners. The research question of the answer with studies on follows. 1. What is the conceptual model of living values based interactive multimedia in civic education? Learning of the correction of development. 2. What is the framework of living values based interactive multimedia in civic education learning for character development? Uh, 3. What is the validation ratio for experts of the first theory on living values based interactive multimedia in civic education learning of character development? Conclusion: Living values based interactive multimedia for civic education. Conceptually, the integration of living or the values integrates the principles of living values in the education in the other media and basic competency based in the acronyms with the 23 for curriculum on the principle of the development of interactive multimedia. The framework of living values based interactive multimedia for civic education include motivation, title menu, CC, OSBC, and additional objectives, concept maps, material contents with parent multimedia, video of the motivation, everything, facilities list, and quiz, validation, and the source of the most the components correction the mode of vary. Ideology of Pancasila as a character of civic education in Indonesia, characterization of humanity as a the Bibin, along theme as a politan person of nation, receiver and its difference. This is nice and have a noble sons, virtuous and of a course religious. This is was the egots, the faith, the cadaver, citizen education based on Pancasila. Education sought BC on capital, social cultures asset of Pancasila. Democracy and education Mukhtar. The main core indirect democracy is known the right and the obligation in politics. The result of the observation analysis of the independent character aspect of indicator of hearts, what's creative, discriminate, brave and learnedness in classroom listening as division and table 3. Based on table 3, the description of the result of the analysis of the independent character observation show very well the overall character of student and some student with another goals most in the guidance. For table description of the ratio of the observation, motor conversion the character, the analysis of the boots, compacted and has the food friend who not help any teaching friends, using preschool of groups. A recommendation: one learning book that are adapted to help student and lecturer in the future because about the future books with the layman's can understand Pancasila on the basis of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika more deeply with the scope of higher education. With journal in the seal of the increase flow in the journal the absence of a clear enough explanation of the formulation. The problem discussions Also, it is a title auto analysis. Based on in the table, a description of the result of the analysis observation reduced character is very well the human character in the learning process in the classroom. Sekian dari kami, thank you.